But when you start understanding these concepts of how businesses work, and then you understand your role in that, you understand how to become more skillful in that role and how to really amplify that. If you're a copywriter, I think that's what's going to turn you into a six-figure, whatever, seven-figure copywriter. And I think, unfortunately, a lot of times copywriters suffer from the same thing a lot of people do, which is what? They're a technician. They're too focused on becoming good at being a copywriter. And as Dan Kennedy, one of our legendary friends, will tell you, unfortunately, being the best doesn't always get you to pay the most, which sounds weird, but it's true. It's like, think of all these great guitar players sitting in the room. No one knows who the hell they are. And I think and sometimes when it comes to technician in business, it's the same thing. It doesn't mean you can be crap now, but it just means there's a time and place for working on your skill. Like I said, there's a time and place for knowing all the steps. And of course, like something we mentioned earlier on, relationships, building up that perceived value that other people see in you. That's a critical component as well.
It's some absolute freaking gems there, Barry.